Nandi and Solom's moving with Rebecca, unaware that Rebecca wants to deal with her. Nolita learns that Chuma did not sleep with Siamtanda. Chuma says he wants to fix things, doesn't want to start over with someone else. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. Siamtanda apologized to Nolita, but Nolita was all fighting. Chuma had to separate them when we are kulana. Lengane xolisa la when busy fighting. Nolita insisting ukuthi uyamdelela, why did she come to her shop? Athi uzoxoxolisa lo muntu. Take my phone and read our chat. You'll see ukuthi nothing happened. Nolita reads the chats and realizes ukuthi how so you never slept with her. I've been trying to tell you but you never listened. And I don't want to start over with someone else. Ngifuna wena. I know I've messed up and I know I've done a lot of things to hurt you, but you've always been there with me. I know it won't be easy, but I want us to fix things and work on us. But how can we do that while we are still lying to me and hiding things from me? You're always out, coming back in the wee hours of the morning. How am I supposed to trust you? I know that I've never given you a reason to trust me, but here's what I'm doing when I'm out. I'm busy stealing amakhofeni kaSolomzi. I'm back to crime. Athukeke uNolita, now she knows. And then uNandi is against this thing of Rebecca wanting them to move in with her, saying Rebecca. Usolomzi convinces her and say they must do it for the baby, and they end up going there. And to my surprise, Rebecca has even moved out of her bedroom, saying that they must take a bedroom and sleep there so they can all feed because it's big enough. Yeah, now Solomzi, no Nandi, no baby Kaya. Nandi, are you crazy? How can I sleep in a room where I was kidnapped, where I even gave birth and you gave me a dead baby? Actually, Solomzi, we can sleep in my room. I don't even want to go upstairs. Ngizohlala lounge. Ngizolala lounge mina. Solomzi said, it's fine, just get me a sponge, nami ngizoba join a lounge. And then Rebecca is happy with the hair. As Rebecca, I don't understand what's why you're still dwelling in the past. This whole house is like a prison to me. I don't want to be here. Solomzi, I know you don't want to be here, but let's just do it for the baby. Hi, akasahleka kancane Rebecca, because finally she got what she wanted. uNandi is finally here. uNandi visits uMamsonto telling her ukuthi they are now staying with Rebecca. uMamsonto is shocked ukuthi how wahlala Rebecca, why would you take umntana back to the lion's den? Ucabangani athi I have no choice ma umntana uyagula. And then uNkunzi uyabuza ukuthi how sikabaraiza wathatha uNandi wamletha la, what's going on? Do you really care about them? I only care about umzukulu wami. But uNandi yena, I still want to deal with her. I haven't forgotten what she has done. So this was her strategy all along, to deal with Nandi, but then she had to have her close to her. And then uMamsonto tries to realize ugesi awukho. Kanti it was supposed to be uThenjiwe buying the electricity. Tries phoning her uThenjiwe, say, now I'm buying electricity for where I live. Angikwazi ukungithengela ugesi. So now she sees importance kaThenjiwe ukuthi masengekho. When she's around, she treats her like she does nothing, anything. Kanti uThenjiwe nezamkhalela le umngane wakho Nelly wakes up in the middle of the night and pray to pictures of dead people ogogo wakhe obanzi. uThenjiwe is now uncomfortable, saying the things that are going on, I think you must just forget about them because they make me so uncomfortable and they must never happen again. Sometimes it tells uNkanyiso ukuthi I feel bad for making you work ngeyidumbu. If you want the salesperson position, you can still get it. Athi uNkanyiso hayi ngi-right mina la mfana ngisawudingi lowo. Kanti it's because now so push umshikashika wakhe of taking my gold tooth from the dead bodies and selling them. Martha sees this and is like, wena fantu bereka ka ditupu. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Nandi lets her guard down and leaves baby Kaya with Rebecca. This is after Solomzi had spoken to her, asking her to give Rebecca a chance. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So Rebecca went all out, Shemugogo Kaya, buying clothes for Kaya. You can just see that she's happy. Unandat, hey, mtana magadingi, impahla ezintsha, my baby has enough clothes. A bit disappointed, Shemo Rebecca goes to Solomzi to tell him what happened. Nele impahla, telling him she's going to return them because Unandaga's phone. Solomzi like, don't worry, I'm going to fix it. Shele impahla, I'm going to give them to her. Solomzi gives the clothes to Nandi, saying, when Rebecca Kokogakai, please give her a chance. Unandi's like, no, I'm protecting Ghanaian. I'm always going to protect my child. As I was firm, Solomzi just had to be firm and be like, you know what, just dress the baby with the clothes. And then while Rebecca is watching this and she gets happy, Solomz is actually scolding Nandi. And then Shem, she tries to help out when baby Kai was crying. It's from Caesar. Aya anqaba uNandi athi nope. Jiki uNandi falls asleep on the couch. Ucisha umntwana. Afike Rebecca thatha umntwana because uNandi was sleeping. Avuke ngesivinini athi hey what's thathelana umntwana. Then no, Rebecca explains ukuthi cishe wawisa umntwana wena, you're sleeping because you're exhausted, man. Go lie down, I'm gonna look after the baby. Athi yo, I can't leave the baby. Jiki abone ukuthi ayikho lento yakhe. She's tired, she's been overworking herself because she doesn't want to accept help. Agcina vume kuNandi. She agrees to go and lie down and leave the baby with Rebecca. Rebecca was so happy. Athi yes, ngingibaleka naye lo mntwana. I'm not gonna run away with him. Just go lie down, man, and rest. Angasajabulanga Rebecca because finally usele nomntwana. Philip goes to visit his mom, and realizes, hey ma, are you sure, right? Like, offers to give her money. Anqabe-ke uThenjiwe athi no, ngi-right. Decides to cook up iSunday Nkosi to impress uVelaphi ukuthi yena u-right. Angasacasukanga uNelly saying that okay ukuthi upheke iSunday Nkosi, so she cooked all the groceries that were supposed to last them for a while. And then Martha demands ukuthi she wants a cut on this gold business kaNkanyiso. Kanyiso is out in the streets hustling, ufuna ufaka abantu igold estratini, gold that he got from the dead bodies Solom's funeral parlor. Matsiriso is like, hi, this is not make sure, man. This thing looks fake. And then Kanyiso decides with yazini ucela uNelly ukuthi can Nelly be her model? So because if the people are baboni model, they'll be more prone to like ufaka ama-gold wakhe. But uNelly refuses. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Nandi gives Rebecca a chance to be in Kaya's life. Mom Sonto gets an unexpected visit from Rebecca, and she actually agrees to go and pray for Kaya at her house. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. So Nandi is still staying with Rebecca, and she's actually starting to warm up and let Rebecca be in Kaya's life. As at Solomzias, I like what I see. That I like that you're letting my mom be ugogo kaKhaya. Athi yes, I'm doing it for umntwana. And then uMamSonto bandla isizungu siyambulala because now she finds herself calling uThenjiwe, forgetting uThenjiwe doesn't live there anymore. Ubhuti wakhe uBulelani was there to see her when she gets a surprise, an unexpected visit from Rebecca. She was shocked. Rebecca kwami ufunani. Rebecca is there to ask her to come and pray for Kaya at her house. At first, MamSonto was reluctant, saying that to your house, I can't come to your house if you've forgotten everything that you've done to me and my children. And then Rebecca goes back home, thinking that MamSonto won't come. They start praying with Solomz noNandi noSiya. While they're busy singing, afike uMamSonto with the church ladies, there to pray for uKhaya, her recovery yakhe. Everyone was shocked with how she came indeed and to support them. uSolomz never doubted her what he knows ukuthi uMamSonto uzoza because she loves umzukulu wakhe uKhaya. Rebecca ngasavuyanga and says ukuthi they must give them food and what the church ladies, like, you know how they always give them cakes and amakuku and tea or juice. Hi MamSonto avela athi mina ngilambanga, bavele babone ukuthi hayi, she doesn't want to compromise herself or end up eating things ezingekho kahle. Phela kwaRebecca la, hey, Rebecca cannot be trusted. And then uNelly is not happy ukuthi uThenjiwe decided to cook the whole groceries abo to actually impress uVelaphi. Now they're left with no food. And then uThenjiwe decides to go home, finds out akunamuntu ekhaya, and steals ukudla kukaMamSonto. She took some onions and tomatoes and potatoes and carrots. And then uNelly agrees to be imodel kaNkanyiso ke. Emodela acting as if she naifake khona igolide while she didn't. She's always had igold yakhe. Afike uMathili eshasha ukuthi hayi man, you guys are lying to us. uNelly has always had her igold yakhe. Lento uyisithengisela yona la umdubulo wena Nkanyiso. And then Siyamthanda goes live and tells her followers ukuthi she has been through a lot since after the Red Dance. the street dance drama, and then Ukuma. So she has decided to take a break from social media just to focus on herself and her healing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Nandi accepts proposal ka Solomzi, the one that she once declined. Chuma reminds Solomzi that Unandi is Kaya's wife. There's a robber Gwamam Nomsa. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So kumnandi Rebecca, Unandi has softened up. They get to sit around the table. Bebonke bahleke baxoxe. And then apparently the baby Kaya is recovering, and Unandi thinks they should go home today, but Solomzi feels like no, let's just stay for one more day. Hi, Angabeke Unandi, no, I just miss my bed. I want to go home. I want to take Kaya. Ekhaya. Hi, angasacasuka Rebecca. Mam Nomsa buys food, groceries for Utenjiwe because she noticed that Utenjiwe was at home and she stole some food. Abangeke Utenjiwe says to Nelly, okay, uyabona na grocery masongithengele. Avele to Nelly as in everything she bought, I don't eat, mina ngidli lokhu, mina phela nge-diet, I don't forget. And then Utenjiwe gets a call from Unandi. Unandi has prepared a whole traditional outfit, saying that she wants to go and accept the proposal ka Solomzi, the one that she declined in front of the whole family. So now it's got to Mam Nomsa. I'm arranging like call a meeting, call everyone so that she can accept the proposal in front of everyone that she once declined it in front of. So manje Umam Sondo phones the family, they're all there. They all come. Usolomzi uza noma wakhe ke uRebecca. Bulelani is also there, nochuma. Agiyeke Unandi, she's dancing and all that. Rebecca is confused with what's going on. Unandi. The next thing, asondele uSolomzi says, I'm confused, but I like what's happening here. Aqale Unandi athakazela uSolomzi going on, hey, uyindoda emadodeni, you're a man amongst men. I'm tired of sleeping alone and my family would love to have you as umkhwenyana wabo. So ngiyakuthatha ke phakathi kwayo, I'm taking you today to be my partner. And so kucinga amadolo, she's even kneeling down. Amsukumisa uSolomzi athi okay, stand up. uSolomzi looks a bit like he took some time to accept because it seemed like he wants to decline or something. Until uqhuma aze amhlebele athi kuyena, whispers in his ear saying that please treat Kaya's wife properly or mphathe kahle unkosikazi kaKhaya. That's so shade of him to remind her, him ukuthi Unandi was Kaya's wife in this moment where it's a happy moment for them. Hi, Solomzi avume ke athi okay, agiye Solomzi starts to dance, saying it's a win for the Gumedes, it's a win for uQwabe. And then he sort of like gave a whole speech, vow thingy, going on about how he loves Nandi and that he will never hurt her again and that he promises to love her and honor her and take care of her and all that ish. They were so happy and they sealed it with a kiss. Angena ke Rebecca ngafuna ukudlula athi attention everyone, ngiyamamukela, I'm welcoming Nandi as umakoti wami, as my daughter-in-law. So now I want to propose ukuthi we're gonna have a celebration at the mansion kwaMabuza. I'm inviting all of you. She even invites Umam Nomsa to come. Mam Nomsa to cha ngiyabonga, but I can't come. But you two have my blessings. And then uMatsiri sonkosi yami angenela uMam Nomsa amtshela ukuthi yazi you look so lonely, I wish I had a brother ngifakele yona udinga indoda yazi Nomsa. Ngapha she decides ukuthi naye ufuna iGoldie. uBulelani promised her ukuthi uzomfakisa iGoldie kuNkanyiso, not knowing ukuthi iGoldie abantu abafile. The day she finds out she's going to hate uNkanyiso, they go there, she puts iGoldie kaNkanyiso ke, and then convinces uBulelani to also put it. And then Umam Nomsa is sleeping on the couch and gets she falls asleep on the couch. Jiki kungena igebengu emnyango. They're like coming at her. Now she wakes up and she cries for help, saying help. Shem is so annoyed now that she lives alone. People are taking advantage of her. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Solomzi and Nandi's happiness is cut short when Nandi walks in on Solomzi telling his mom that he made an agreement with Chuma not to tell Nandi that he slept with his wife Nolita. Rebecca is happy because she's been pretending with Nandi all this time. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So Unandi is happy telling Solomzi that I was scared that you'd reject me. Athi Solomzi hawu kanjani ngithanda kangaka. I love you and I love you till the day I die. And then Nandi tells him because I'll go to the dinner Rebecca invited us to with you. Asajabulanga uSolomzi buys Unandi a new dress, a beautiful dress for him to wear to the dinner. And then I dress Unandi, they go to the dinner. Rebecca is busy preparing. Akasajabulanga azathi uNkunzi, how why are you so happy? Because you're still going to ruin this thing. Athi yeah, you know when you need to prepare. So manje Unandi is gonna let her guard down when she thinks everything is fine. That's when Gadla corner. That's how a chess game works. They arrive again. Angasamncomi Rebecca. You see, like when they say keep your enemies closer. Angasamncomi Unandi is going on about how beautiful she is, how much of a gorgeous woman she is, and that Solomon made a good choice by choosing her. Embiza nangamakoti, wangena umakoti, here's the bride. Angasamoyezeli noNandi thinking it's genuine kanti cha. And they sit for the dinner. And they have the dinner, it's all looking good. Akhuluma ke pretending Rebecca going on about she's not a saint, she's done a lot of bad things in the past and all that. But she's happy ukuthi umndeni wakhe ukhona la and they're having dinner together. And that she's turning on a new leaf, she's starting afresh and all that. And appreciates a support umndeni wakhe. And then ask Unandi ukuthi, is there anything you want to say ke wena makoti? Nandi is going on about how happy she is that she's back with Solomzi and that she's focusing on her family. Azabuza ke ukuthi okay, and then amalobola azanini when I paying lobola, but we're focusing on umntwana manje sis ekho right ukhaya. We'll see amalobola later. We still need to build our trust. Kanti earlier on Unandi asked ukuthi how since umamNomsa said vele akezi, but what happened to Chuma and Nolita? What happened to their invite? Why didn't you invite them? Did they say no? Did they refuse? Solomzi lies saying that Uchuma is still mad about the promotion because remember when Uchuma came to the house to beat him up, he lied to Nandi saying that it's because of your promotion. Uchuma wanted a promotion and all that. And then Unandi steps out to go and check on baby Kaya because he was crying. Basale bakhuluma ke Rebecca and Solomzi. Rebecca is telling Solomzi ukuthi she's worried because Uchuma will tell Nandi. He's going to let him relax and then tell Nandi. And then Solomzi explaining ukuthi hi, don't worry, we have an agreement noChuma ukuthi he's not going to tell Nandi that I slept with Nolita. Nandi walks in and hears him saying these words. And then Nandi's like, what? You slept with Nolita? The disgust on her face, what? Ulele Nolita when? Angasajabulanga Rebecca, he just sebabheka ngo-S wavela wathi hey Nandi, like Solomzi can't even believe it because this whole thing that he's been hoping for is now ruined. And I'm telling Rebecca what it's better you tell Nandi yourself, and then you are scared to tell her saying that it's going to ruin their relationship and he's trying to build it. And then umamNomsa mabamngenela labafana, they took a microwave. She's still shaken and the family comes uBulelani Thenjiwe no Nelly, and then Uchuma comes later and then she's mad at them saying good when I called you, where were you when I told you if you're still staying here at home abangenanga labafana. And then Uchuma decides that he's going to sleep outside to protect his mom in case those boys come back again. It brings that Dr. Bling Unkanyiso is doing so well. A lot of people are coming to him for Gold. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.